You built this?
Yep.
Nice. It has an echo. Wow. 6-cylinder. Do you know your tuning on, like your peak frequency and range on it?
Peak total is like 32 hertz.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Thank you for calling 1-800-RUSSIAN.
Can I come in? How you doing, man? Jacob, I do a lot of videos on YouTube. If that's all right, I'm doing video. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
It's Johnathon Dozier. It's 4 VX715s. It's on 2 cab 45s at half ohm.
Okay.
And the doors are just loaded with Scar VX7 or FSX mids.
All right. And you built this?
Yep.
Nice. It has an echo. Wow. 6-cylinder. Do you know your tuning on, like your peak frequency and range on it?
Peak total is like 32 hertz.
Okay.
And it's tuned to 28 and 52.
Nice. Doors too.
Yeah, it likes down to like 7
Calling 1-800-RUSSIAN.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Jake Vile. Quick little commentary. So Jonathan did a great job showcasing his system today at the Ruckus and Chilled show at Fayetteville, North Carolina in 2021. Be sure to give him a thumbs up. We're about to get a 2-song bass demo. He was playing down into the teen frequencies. Definitely playing lows with authority. Really dangerous subwoofer flex because of the amount of pressure he was putting out. Really hard on the body as well. And 2 things real quick. First thing is, this is a 6-order bandpass as he was talking about. Those rear ports in the back there, you can see that was around a 26 to 28 hertz tuning, and his front port here is at the 52 hertz range that he was telling me. So if anybody didn't miss that, and these are the VXF Scar series. I know the music was a little loud, so I figured I'd throw that in the commentary. And on the back here, he's got his amplifiers ran at half ohm. This is an Atwood cooling fan if anybody wants to look up. I have an Amazon eBay affiliate link. You can check out where to buy them. They're like $25 each. Really good for your amplifier. And a nice, good, big lithium battery bank. I don't know what size. I would like to say it's either 90 or 130, but I don't know exactly. He didn't let me know. And he has a high output alternator I tried to show you with the under the hood camera. So go ahead and comment and let him know what you think about the system. He always is giving me great demos. This is, I think, his 2nd or 3rd time I've got a demo from Jonathan. We really enjoy the cardio demos whenever we get to him, and he does a great job showing me the 2-song bass demo that we're about to hear. He plays down into the teens with authority. And I'm telling you, this flex shot that my wife got on the outside while I was getting the demo looks like the door was breaking. So I hope you enjoy the demo. Stay tuned for more cardio daily videos. Subscribe if you haven't, and let's get to this thing.
see through. Show me that you want me like I need you.
You're right. Really good bandwidth. Low frequency response too. Yes, sir. Awesome.
There was more power on the heads.
Sold them, let's see what it do.
Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo, man. What was your name? Jonathan. Awesome. Thank you, man. You have a good day. Appreciate you showing me. Woo. Oh, hey, you have a good day. Stay warm. It's cold out. Hey, at least the amps don't get hot. Yeah, that's a plus. That's great. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.